Here's the Nike CDG Dunks. I got this from the DSM online, and let's get right into the review. So you have the bottom of the sole here is a standard black outsole for any dunks. Here's the bottom of it. The upper part here has a black swoosh, and then this entire upper part right here is like soft, durable, stretchy material. And like the white lettering here is kind of see-through, as you can see. The C and the D here, when you could actually like show your sock a little bit. So reminds me of like the React Element 87 on the upper, where it's like this soft meshy material. Black laces right up here, and you have a Nike tongue. Here's the inside, and the insole. It has a Comme des Garçons with a Nike swoosh right below on a black insole. Black sock liner. The back here has a leather tab with a Nike. And then back here you have like a small slight heel counter to make it more durable for you. And yeah, this shoe here has like a CDG print throughout the whole upper. Pretty cool. And yes, so the lettering that is white right here, like this one and this one, it is see-through. So you could actually like get a different color with your sock. Here's the sizing. This is a woman's 9.5, also a men's size 8. Retail $260. I do recommend going true to size for this one, but if you have wide feet, I recommend going 2 sizes up, because this part here is kind of skinny or narrow, so it's gonna be a little bit tight. But if you have wide feet, going 2 sizes up will give you a really nice, comfortable fit. And I'm gonna have an on feet for you guys in a little bit. But yeah, when you guys to check out this pretty cool collab. One of the pretty nice dunks to come out this year. Alright, so here's the on feet of the CDG dunks in the black colorway. This is a woman's 9.5 and a men's 8. Show you guys here. They do fit true to size, as you can see. There's like no extra space back here. But you could probably go like half size up as well, so to give you more room. Because it is kind of squishy on the middle part right here. But yeah, here's an on feet look for you guys. Hope you guys like it.